A floor scrubber is a cleaning machine that can efficiently and effectively clean floors, replacing traditional mops and buckets. In this video we will be discussing how to use floor scrubber for cleaning. Provide sufficient battery for the job. Make sure the floor scrubber batteries are adequately charged before beginning the job, and it's only recommended to charge when necessary, as charging too frequently can diminish the battery lifespan. Properly get rid of debris by sweeping. For a thorough clean, make sure you sweep or dry mop your floors before using a squeegee. This will remove any debris that could damage the squeegee or cause additional wear and tear. If there is a significant amount of dust or dirt, it's best to wet mop the area first so the mud doesn't spread and becomes more difficult to remove. Use the appropriate cleaning solution for your floor type. Once you've completed the above steps, you'll want to fill up the automatic scrubber solution tank with your desired cleaning solution, usually a neutral cleaner for best results on sealed floors, or an alkaline cleaner for concrete. Then, turn the machine on and adjust the settings to your desired preferences. Connect the brush. The brush attaches easily to the floor scrubber with a spin-on and spin-off brush system. Lower the squeegee and begin scrubbing the floor. Pre-scrub your floor. To ensure a deep clean, you may want to consider running the scrubber twice, first with just cleaning solution and then again with the squeegee up off the floor. This will help to loosen any dirt or grime that may be clinging to the surface. Distribute water inside the brush. The automatic floor scrubber does a great job at cleaning floors. First, it distributes water inside the brush to make better use of the cleaning solution. Then, the squeegee and the scrubber's built-in powerful vacuum system will recover the water and distribute it to the recovery tank. This process leaves floors dry immediately. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on how to use floor scrubber for cleaning, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.